Hello student. Chapter number 8, comparing quantities. In that exercise 8.2, we already solved first 7 questions. Okay, today we start with 8 number. The price of a TV is 13,000. The sale tax change on it at the rate of 15%. 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay for it. Okay, means 12% tax is that, sell tax. Okay, then find out amount to be paid. Here the MRP is given, MRP, otherwise CP, that is 13,000 rupees. Okay, and on that sell tax equal to 12%. Tax is calculated on MRP. Okay, so tax is 12%, 12% of MRP, that means 12% means 12 upon 100, of means multiply 13,000. 300 cut equal to 13 into 12, that is 130 to 6. Okay, 156 and 0, so 1560 rupees, that is sell tax. Okay, and sell tax is one type of extra additional expenses. Okay, so here amount to be paid equal to MRP plus sell tax equal to 13,000 plus 1,560 rupees, and addition of that one is 14,560 rupees. Okay, that means if you want to buy that one, you will have to paid 14,560 rupees for that TV. Okay, now number 9. Look, Arun bought a pair of skates at the sale where the discount is 20%. Okay, if the amount he paid, okay, amount paid is given, then you just find out mark price. Okay, suppose here mark price, that is MP, otherwise you just take CP. Mark price is not given, suppose that is X rupees. Okay, and on that discount is 20%. Discount is always calculated on base of MRP. Okay, mark price means 20% of mark price. Okay, so 20% means 20 divided by 100 into, that is X, 20 5 so X upon 5. Okay, and amount to be paid equal to, he paid 1,600 rupees. Okay, now amount paid means the MRP minus discount. Okay, that means mark price minus discount equal to amount paid, because discount is cut from mark price. Okay, mark price is X minus here X upon 5 equal to amount 1600. Here divided by 1, same here divided by 1. So what is the LCM? 5. So multiply all term with 5. So here 5 into X minus 5 into X upon 5 equal to 1600 into 5. Here divided by 1, that is ignore. So 5 into X is 5X minus, that is X, equal to 1600 into 5. So that is 4X equal to 1600 into 5. Now change the side of 4. Okay, so what happened? X equal to 1600 into 5 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 4s are 16 and double 0. So X equal to 400 into 5, that is 2000 rupees. Okay, so mark price of skates equal to 2000 rupees. Okay, and number 10, look, that is, I purchased a hairdryer for 5400 including 8% weight. Okay, weight means value added tax, means tax is included in that one. So find the price before weight was added. Before weight means without weight. Okay, so suppose that means you just find out MRP. Okay, so suppose MRP means value without weight, that is before weight. Okay, that is suppose X rupees. It's not given, that is X rupees. On that weight is given. Okay, weight equal to, that is 8%, and 8% of MRP. We know that tax is always calculated on basis of MRP. So 8 divided by 100 into X, that is X, equal to 8X upon 100. Okay, and last one, amount with weight means amount to be paid, that is given 5400 rupees. Okay, amount with weight means MRP plus weight. So MRP plus weight is given, that is 5400. Okay, MRP is X rupees plus weight is 8X upon 100. Here it's, that is 5400 divided by 1, LCM is 100 because here 100 is there. So what to do? Multiply all term with 100. So 100 into X plus 8X into 100 upon 100 equal to 5400 into 100 divided by 1, 1 is neutral number, cut that one. So 100 into X is 100X plus 8X equal to 5400 into 100. Addition of that one is 108X equal to 5400 into 100. Now change the side of 10X. Okay, means 108 into X. Okay, multiply is there, into 100 divided by 108. 5400, that means 54 into 100, and 108, that is 54 into 2. So 54 and 54 cut, and 2 50s are 100. Okay, so X equal to 50 into 100, that is 5000 rupees. Okay, means value of price of hair dryer before weight is 5000 rupees. Clear? So here our exercise 8.2 is complete. You just complete 8.2 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.